guys, welcome back to another video. I got this right here. It's a like trick or treat box thing, and I'm gonna unbox it. So let's see. It's nice. Let's open it up. And I'm not looking, guys. I'm not looking. Am I opening this right? Okay, let's see what I get first. And no one told me what was in here. What is it? Flashing Lights hand spinner. Not sponsored by any of these. If you read this backwards, it's Flashing Lights hand spinner. It's actually a flashing light fidget spinner. So anyways, let's go into the next one. What? Halloween flashing necklace. I don't know how to get this to flash. Probably this. Let's see. Yep. That's nice. Okay, what else? Oh, that was all. Okay, that was cool unboxing. Let's actually unbox them out of their box now. Why am I opening it like this? Let's actually open it. Okay, I'm not opening it correctly. Okay, so let's fidget spin this like an absolute fidget spinner pro. Open up, Buttercup. Oh gosh. So here it is. Oh, it automatically turns the lights on when you spin it. So let's wait for them to turn off. Those two are still on. Let's wait for them to go off. That one's off and, oh man. Okay. Yep, all three are on now. That's nice. Nice. You can't change any modes or anything. And I already unboxed this. I guess we can get it out of this though. Okay. Oh, my sister's coming. Let's put this on and see what it looks like. It's all tangled up. Luckily, I'm a professional at untangling things. And I know how to untangle. And it's untangled. Let's put it on. What? Right there. So we got the light up fidget spinner and the light up pumpkin necklace. Okay, all the lights are actually off now, besides this. So let's wait for it to turn off. Oh, I turned them all on. pretty nice. Okay, let's do it one more time. Let's try.